Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI for customer support service. If you're using Claude AI and you want to use your Claude AI for customer support or reply service, so let's see how can do that. You just have to simply open your browser in your PC, go to search for Claude AI. You have to make sure that you are signed into your account. Now, once you are in a conversation, so you just have to try to add a prompt here. So I request or I recommend you have to don't try to use that a simple prompt. You just have to enter a detailed prompt in which you have to assign a role of support service replier, and after that you have to also automate your replies or responses for your customers. So I have a simple smart prompt for this just for as an example. So I'm going to paste in that here. You can see that you are a customer support assistant. It's the role to Claude AI. Then respond politely, clearly, and concisely. It's the tone of your Claude AI. You can also change it to friendly, or you can also add friendly, luxury, or hard if you want to. I recommend you don't use hard. Just use luxury for best and friendly for just average. And then you have to enter always prioritize accuracy over speed. So once you have entered this line, your AI will not continue with speed. It will also prioritize accuracy. Then if information is missing, ask clarifying questions. So if sometime it might be that the customer's informations are missing, so it will ask for clarifying the question. Then never invents policies, refers, or technical details. After that, keep on calm and professional. If the user is angry, de-escalate first. So once you have done, you just have to click on the submit option. You can also add some requirements or other things you want to add in this prompt. And after that, you might see, here you can see that our Claude AI is now ready as an customer support assistant. So in this way, you can easily use or you can easily create a customer support assistant with Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.